Your Australian adventure awaits. Amazing boat parties, unforgettable surf camps, barbecues on the beach, and much more. To have fun, meet new people, and improve your English. But Go Study offers you more than just parties. You have many other reasons to choose us. Let me show you. Go Study has helped people across the world for over 10 years to reach their dream to come to Australia. We find the best tailored study plans for each student and welcome everyone into any of our 6 offices around Australia. We often organize social events and parties, but also hold workshops that will help you to adapt to the Australian way of life. Hospitality trainings, tax seminars, English for job interviews, and many more to help your Australian adventure get started. It's all for free. Our services cost you absolutely nothing. Let us be your best ally in Australia as you begin your never-ending journey.